A peaceful village, an ordinary night. But that night, over 300 people in the village experienced this same dream. An ancient Shiva temple buried beneath a hillock. The sound of temple bells, divine light, and the call of an invisible divine force. When everyone woke up the next morning and began discussing among themselves, they were left stunned, because what seemed like a dream was about to become reality. Greetings, friends. Today's story will take you on a journey between belief and disbelief. A temple that was never recorded in any history book, for which no map or record was ever found. Yet this temple appeared in dreams and manifested on earth. This is the miraculous and mysterious tale of Swapneshwar Mahadev Temple. The year was 1994. The location was Ganjam district in Odisha, now known as Gajapadi. One night, approximately 300 villagers experienced an identical dream. An ancient Shiva temple buried beneath a mound. In the dream, they heard the sound of temple bells and a divine force drew them toward that location. When everyone woke up and began talking, they were amazed to discover that everyone had seen exactly the same dream. The same location, the same Shiva Lingam, the same sound of bells. This wasn't just a dream, it was a divine sign. The villagers immediately began excavating the hillock. Just a few feet down, the pinnacle of a complete Shiva temple began to emerge. Looking at the temple's architecture, experts determined it was from the 7th century, perfectly preserved without any damage. The Archaeological Survey of India team arrived at the site. According to their research, no documentation or mention of this temple was found anywhere in history, not in any book, not in any folk songs. This temple seemed to have been forgotten in the womb of time. In the temple Sanctum Sanctorum, a copper plate was discovered with just one line inscribed on it. I have manifested because I was remembered. Even today, every year on that same night, hundreds of devotees gather there to meditate and chant. They say perhaps God will give someone else a dream, perhaps another mystery will be revealed. This incident has become not just a mystery but a proof of the power of collective consciousness and faith. A similar incident occurred in Mohangiri village of Kalhandi district. There, a police officer had a dream that another ancient Shiva temple was buried in the village. When excavation was done, an 11-pillar Shiva temple was indeed discovered there. Was this mere coincidence or something that even today's science cannot understand?
What can we learn from this incident? Are our dreams not just imagination, but a medium for some energetic message? Is faith so powerful that it can bring history back to life? Perhaps when we unite together with one thought, the universe begins to answer us. This Swapneshwar Mahadev temple is not just an ancient temple. It is a miracle that has convinced thousands of people that God is not somewhere outside. He manifests wherever He is called with a sincere heart. If you found this story surprising, please like the video. Comment and tell us, have you ever had such a dream that later proved true? And don't forget to subscribe for more such mysterious and inspirational stories. Every dream can be a sign. What's needed is the understanding to interpret it. Jai Bholenath.